Whip out the chopsticks and grab a seat because we're devouring dinner in 25 minutes. Enjoy these chewy, saucy chicken lo mein noodles. They stir fry in one pot because washing one pot is definitely enough adulting for today. Let's start by making the lo mein sauce, which is also our marinade. Whisk together dark soy sauce that give the noodles a dark, rich color, soy sauce and oyster sauce for saltiness and umami, Chinese cooking wine, sugar, sesame oil for nuttiness, and white pepper for just a bit of spice. As always, all the full measurements are in the blog post in the description below. I'm using Boma's skinless chicken thighs because they stay extra juicy. Drizzle on some of that lo mein sauce to marinate just for a few minutes, then sear them on medium-high heat until they're golden brown, cook through. Set them aside, and now let's cook the veggies. Saute your onions for just a minute or two or until they become tender. Toss in the garlic, then cook for a few more seconds. The best part about this lo mein is you can use whatever sad and lonely veggies are rolling around in the back of your fridge. So for me, those are carrots, red bell peppers, and cabbage. Just make sure to cut them in similar sizes so they finish cooking around the same time. For the noodles, I'm using fresh egg lo mein noodles that I found in my local Asian market in the refrigerated section, and I prepped them according to the package. You can also use instant ramen noodles or even spaghetti noodles. You're the top chef of your kitchen, and I'm not here to judge. If you are using dry pasta like spaghetti, just half the weight because they'll double in size after you boil them. Pour in the lo mein sauce and cook until all that delicious sauce is absorbed in the noodles. Toss the chicken back in and give it a final toss. I really hope you try this recipe. Enjoy!